The easy interface of the Perform Ops Visual Timetable Planner makes it very easy to amend flights or make changes to a timetable. To change flights one at a time, select the flight that needs to be amended, right-click and select the Lock Unlock Flight button. This object has now been unlocked and can be moved horizontally or vertically. Yellow lines on the left and the right of the object indicate that the object is unlocked. Simply click and drag the flight left or right to change the timing, or up and down to move the flight from one string to the next. If the flight is moved to another string, it can be saved in that position by selecting the pop-up menu with the right mouse button and selecting Save. To use the first in, first out automatic algorithm to optimize the schedule is as simple as clicking the Visualize button. Perform Ops will now use the first in, first out algorithm to optimize the utilization of the aircraft. To move the flight again, right-click, unlock, and then move flight to the required position. Any number of flights can be adjusted one at a time by selecting the right-click, unlock, and then moving the flight. All the changes are indicated in red. To save adjustments or amendments one at a time, again use the pop-up menu, right-click, Save. If many amendments were made, select the Save Scenario button on the toolbar at the top. You are warned that you will be making permanent changes to the timetable. Accept this warning. Visualizing the timetable will now reflect the changes as they have been written to the database. If many changes will be made to the timetable, it may be easier to select the Unlock All Schedules tool button from the toolbar at the top. This unlocks all flights on the timetable, and these can then be easily amended and changed to accommodate your requirements. If an infringement is made by the operator, the infringement is indicated and can easily be corrected. To see all the properties of a particular flight, right-click on the flight and select the Edit Schedule menu option. This shows the Adjust Schedule form, indicating the active days of the week for this particular flight, the flight number, the aircraft type, and the movement type. Movement type, flight profile, load factor, and the remainder of the edit boxes are for other modules in the Perform Ops suite and fall beyond the scope of this tutorial. Any changes made on the Adjust Schedule panel or the Visual Timetable Planner is written to the database, updating every day of the week. This means, even though Monday is selected, if a change is made to a particular flight, that amendment is made on all the relevant days of the week. Should you wish to clear the entire timetable and remove all flights created from the database, select the tool button Permanently Clear Current Scenario from the toolbar at the top. You will be warned that you are about to permanently remove all the flights from the database. A second warning will make sure that you don't inadvertently remove all flights from a particular timetable. It may be difficult to locate a particular flight in a large timetable. To facilitate easy searching, a search box is available at the top of the toolbar. Simply type in the flight number of the flight you are looking for. And if Perform Ops can locate the flight, the Visual Timetable Planner display will move so that the required flight lists in the first row at the top of the Visual Timetable Planner. Various tools on the Visual Timetable Planner are beyond the scope of this tutorial. That includes the visual calendar, load factor modeling, expense modeling, and a selection of the parameters on the Adjust Schedule panel. This concludes the tutorial on editing a timetable.